Good morning, welcome. It is Sunday, November 24th, 2019. It's a rainy morning here in Latham, New York, and I just got a phone call. My load's canceled. Yeah, guys, I'm here at the shipper in Latham, New York, where I've been picking up every Sunday for the last, this would have been, I think this is the 9th week. And yeah, I pick up magnets here, magnets for MRI machines. And this morning I was supposed to get 3, and all 3 of them failed. So there's no load for today. I'm going to look at the load board, see if any last minute loads come up for today, or any what we call SOS loads, where somebody goes down and need to complete the load for them or something like that. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Not too worried about it. I mean, worst comes to worst, I'm just going to go back on home and enjoy a couple of days off, I guess. I don't know. With Thanksgiving being on Thursday, it kind of throws a little bit of a monkey wrench in there. You know, I mean, I suppose I could run over Thanksgiving, but then again, this load probably goes again next Sunday, so let's just wait and see what happens, I guess. All right, guys, here we are. We're still here in Latham, New York. It is now 6:30 at night. So we've been here all day looking for some freight for today, and you know, being Sunday, I didn't really expect much, and it lived up to my expectations anyway. Thinking about what we're going to do now, because it's getting later. I can't stay in this parking lot for the night because it fills up with cars. It's pretty full parking lot in the morning. There's only one truck parking spot behind me, and that's need that spot for the guy coming in to pick up tomorrow. So I could go down to the Walmart down here in Albany and park, but I'm really thinking about just going on home. I'm a little less than 2 hours from home, so thinking about it. Not really sure yet. Probably will. I don't know. I would have went home a lot earlier, but the snow, there was a lot of snow this afternoon out where I live, and I hear that the roads got pretty bad. So I know Melissa sent me a text saying she had to work a double shift because they had a bunch of call-offs at the hospital, and people couldn't get into work. There was cars in the ditches, and it was icy and wet snow, and so yeah, well, that's all moved out to the east now, so it's been precipitation free now for an hour or so, a couple hours, whatever, and it looks like, according to the traffic map, like they got everything moving again. All the roads out where I live are all green now. They were all yellow and orange and red earlier, meaning that things were moving real slow. But everything's green now, so and snow has stopped, and they probably dumped a ton of salt on everything, so it's probably good to go. So I can go home. I'm not really decided yet. Not really sure. Kind of tired of sitting here, though. I know, you know, it's not really the fault of the agent or even the guy at the shipping dock here. I was supposed to pick up 3 magnets going down to Huntsville, Illinois, Huntsville, Alabama, and all 3 of the magnets failed their quality control test. So yeah, it's kind of unusual, especially when I had three of them scheduled for my truck today. And even if only one passed, they would have put it on my truck, and I could have headed down that way, but didn't work out. Now we're kind of in a rough spot here, being Thanksgiving week. It's a holiday week, so things will probably be slowed, you know, anyway. So now, you know, what do you do? What do you do? We'll see what happens. I sent a text in to another agent I know that does local dedicated stuff. Maybe they might have something for me this week. I don't know. I haven't heard anything back. Probably wouldn't hear anything till tomorrow. But I could run and do a couple loads local or something for the week and be home. Don't know yet. Gonna have to wait and see what happens. Gonna have to wait and see. But that's trucking, you know. That's what happens. Stuff happens, and usually we have to pay the consequences of it, the driver. But it's not really, you know, it's not really their fault. It's just things didn't work out. So anyway, Yeah, I probably will go home. I'm thinking I will. Might wait another about 30 minutes and then head on home, see what happens. But, yeah. Anyway, short video today. I do appreciate you guys joining me and checking it out. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. And leave me a comment down below and give me a thumbs up. And come back and see me tomorrow. If there is a tomorrow video, I don't know. If I'm at home, I might not have one. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Okay, guys. Take care, and we'll see you later.